Hi everyone, it's Anne. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm just going to be doing a fun little rainy day vlog. I don't know if it's actually going to be raining all day, but it's at least really gloomy outside. You can probably see in the window behind me. Today is Monday. It's actually the very first day of my online schooling thing because my school got shut down due to the coronavirus. It is about 8:30 in the morning and I'm about to start my work. So yeah, I'm just going to take you through my day, what I do on a rainy, gloomy day like this. So I hope you enjoy the video and let's get started. This is what it looks like right now. It's very cloudy and gloomy out. And it's probably gonna rain. It was raining like all last night and all yesterday too. Okay, I just did some math homework as you just saw, but I am getting kind of hungry actually, so I'm gonna make myself a little breakfast. An egg sounds really good, so I'm gonna have an egg. Oh. Hi, Harper. After I ate breakfast, I helped my parents unload the groceries because we got a bunch of groceries so we can stock up so we don't have to go to the store very often since we're kind of stuck at home because of the coronavirus. Okay, it's a few hours later now. It's about 11 a.m. I finished a lot of my homework. I only have a little bit more, but I'm going to do that a little bit later. Right now, I'm going to fold my laundry because, yeah, it's a mess and it's just all over my floor and I need to fold it. Okay, that snack was really good. It filled me up perfectly. And now I'm going to finish editing this video that I don't know when it's gonna be up, if it's gonna be up before this one or after this one, but it's an In-N-Out mukbang, so I'm out of breath from walking up the stairs. But I'm going to finish editing that video. I would show you me editing it, but I edit on my phone and I also film on my phone, so that wouldn't work. But anyway, I'm gonna continue editing that video and I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Okay, it's been a few hours now and my sister and I are going to make a cake because that sounds really delicious. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. I love baking, so let's get started. Okay, so this is the cake that we're gonna be making. Looks really good and I'm really excited.
And now for the cake mix.
Oh, wait. Oh, nice. Here, let me throw it away.
And now for the cake mix.
Okay, so the cakes just went in the oven as you just saw, and now I'm just having a snack. I'm having some toast with butter, and I'm gonna watch YouTube while the cakes bake and cool because we're not gonna be able to decorate them for at least a few hours because they have to cool completely before we frost them, or else the frosting will just melt right off the cake. So I'll check in with you guys when the cakes are ready to decorate. Okay, a few hours later, the cakes are cooled and cut, so they're nice and even, and now we're gonna start decorating. I'm so excited. I'm gonna put a blob right here. And then Catherine is going to frost this and spread it all over this layer. Gonna put the second layer on top. Okay, we are done frosting the cake. It looks really good, and now we're just gonna add some fun sprinkles to decorate. This is our complete cake. Thumbnail. Okay, so the cake is done, as you just saw. It was a lot of fun making it. It's about 4:30 right now, and my family and I are planning on watching a movie at around 5 or 5:30, so that is coming up pretty soon. Okay, change of plans. We're gonna start the movie at 6. It is currently 5 o'clock, and so to pass some time, I'm going to do a little workout. We have a Peloton bike in our garage, which, if you don't know what that is just like a stationary bike. So to pass some time, I'm just gonna do a little ride on that. Also, it's good to get some exercise in, so that's what I'm about to do right now. 15 minutes later, I'm done with my workout. I'm so exhausted and I was sweating so much, way more than I expected to. It was a really hard but really good workout, so now I'm just gonna wipe down the bike to keep it nice and clean and sanitary, take a shower, and then we're gonna start a movie.